Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix blink camera blinking or flashing red, what you need to do. So in order to fix it, we first need to understand why is this happening. So the outdoor 4 camera displays a flashing red light when it is in the setup mode or changing the systems or Wi-Fi. So if the red LED is not flashing as expected, you need to remove the batteries for 5 seconds and then reinsert them. In the blink video doorbell, if you face this red light, so you just have to simply surrounding the doorbell button when it is seeking the connection. So during the setup and the change of the system and the Wi-Fi, the red LED shows. So if the doorbell is ready to connect, so if the red LED is not flashing as expected, you need to remove the batteries for 5 seconds and then reinsert them. For the blink mini and the mini 2, so as a first step you need to unplug and plug in your mini camera. Then if your mini was already connected to your network, the red LED changes to the solid blue and the blinking green light as the mini reconnects. Once connected, the mini does not show the light on the front unless you have the blue recording indicator active. The red LED also briefly appears during the mini camera setup process just before the solid green and the blinking blue light show that your mini is ready to be added to your system. If a steady red light remains, you need to use a thin object to press the reset button shown in the image, which is looking like this. And after that, wait for a few seconds until the red light changes to the appropriate green and the blue LED pattern. So in order to fix this issue, you basically have to reset your camera and you just have to fix this flashing red issue. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.